Hey everyone, and welcome back to Ramblr Feature videos. If you haven't seen any of our videos before, my name is Drago, and I am one of the AI leads here at Ramblr. And on these videos, we'd like to show you all of the cool features we have in our platform, everything new we add, some sneak peeks on what's coming, and also some tutorials on how to use some of the features. On today's video, we're gonna show you all the work we've been doing in terms of how to manage and display your data in our tool. As you know, we have a very strong annotation platform so that you don't have to spend time outlining masks forever, and you can annotate a few frames and get immediate annotations across long videos, right? And also with, again, attributes, relations, etc. Feel free to look at our other videos for this content. But also, there's going to be, there's a lot of videos living in your workspace in the tool. And you'll probably have different videos and different projects at different states of annotation. So we actually built in a little dashboard so you can manage all of this ongoing pipelines and documents and work in general in a efficient and transparent way. So what we're going to do is, again, we're in our workspace here, and I'm going to go to our lovely test project. But now we have this, as a first view, this lovely dashboard, which again has a lot of condensed, really useful information about the project, right? So first of all, annotation progress, right? So we see in this case, we have 76% of the pipelines are annotated in this particular project. So far, the total annotated time is like 3 minutes out of 6 minutes 43. That's the amount of video that I have in this project, and a total of almost 8,000 frames annotated out of 10,000. Right, so you already get this very sort of like global measures of how your annotation project is doing. Right. Then we have the pipelines view, which is telling me already, okay, you have 11 pipelines, right? 27% are completed out of those 11, right? So 3, and then there's 8 in progress. Of course, you can get a handy button here. You can go view the pipelines, where again you get the little view of the dashboard up here, right? So 73% completion of the entire annotated time, and 3 out of 8 of the pipelines, and then also the tasks, which we'll look at in a bit. And again, this is our old view, per usual. Again, constantly being renewed, of course, of our pipelines, where you can choose the columns you want to see. So for example, here I'm just going to show all of them, and then you can see which failed actions, which template am I using, which annotation version, the progress, number of frames, etc., etc. Right? There's a lot of information here, and of course the idea is that you can then pick your presets. For example, just focus on this few metrics of progress for the pipeline, right? Now we're going to go back to the dashboard up here, and then again here we have the tasks view, right? And these are, it's telling me I have 10 open tasks. So again, tasks would be the annotation tasks, right? And there's 0 on hold, which you can put on hold, right? If you're like halfway through or so, you can put the task on hold and then go work on something else. Now, in terms of the annotations, there's 13,700 objects. So this is counted per frame, right? So if in a video you have 1,000 frames and 2 objects per frame, you're going to get 2,000 objects, right? I have 10 activities annotated in the entire pipeline, which you can go, if you click on this little arrow here, it takes us to our annotations view with the has activities filter on, so you can see all of the annotations that have activities in them, right? So you can see here, this one has 1 activity, this one already has activities, but it's not finished yet, so it's telling me the progress, right? Activities on here, etc., right? So again, we go back to dashboard. Same with relations. So we have 4,700 frames that contain relations, right? And or objects with relations in particular. Again, same thing. We can go there. Has relations. We have the filter up here already activated, so we can look at all of the annotations that have relations, right? Now we go back to the dashboard, and same with attributes up here, right? Now we also have AI actions. right? So this we have different levels of automation, and this is something that I'm going to be talking about in future videos. But right now we see that there's none in progress, there's no issues, and none of them are failed, right? So again, AI actions are the ones where we have the automatic annotation ongoing, right? Now, then we also have our annotation queue. It's telling me I have 8 annotation tasks that are pending, right? And then here, it's telling me quickly, okay, which annotation and sort of a thumbnail of the video. Then I can click on it, and it takes me directly to the task, right? In this case, this is towards the end of the pipeline, so you see the video is mostly annotated on here. The timelines are full, and I have a bunch of anomalies that I can go and annotate, which I talked about in our previous video about anomaly detection. Check it out. And last but not least, tags. So again, in our handy tool, you can add tags to annotations, right? So in this case, I have 3 different tags, right? So I have 6 annotations tagged with subject cooking, 3 with subject cleaning, and 1 with subject maintenance, right? And we can see in the annotations here, right here are the tags, right? And you can add, these are completely custom, so you can also add, for example, subject pancakes or waffles, sorry. Right? Oh, there's none, so just creates a new one, right? And then I can click on it, and I will select all of the annotations that have the subject waffles, right? And you don't have to add a subject. For example, you can say just high quality and add that as a tag, right? And then you can, again, freely add them and remove them from your annotations, right? And use them for filtering, right? Again, we have all of these filters, including tags down here, right? For, again, has activities, has relations, etc. Is the annotation locked? And all of that can be used to navigate your data, right? And again, all of it is also nice and summarized here in your dashboard, right? And yeah, that's pretty much everything we have for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. And again, as usual, just let us know if you have questions, ideas, or again, any other comments you wanna make. And yeah, hope to see you on the next video then. Thank you so much. Bye bye.